Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, my small learners. Okay, today we'll carry on as well with Surat al-Nasr, but this time we'll deal with it from a different perspective. The first part, if you remember, we dealt with the overall meaning of the surah. Yes? The second part was about the lessons we learned from this surah. Today, we are going to deal about the surah regarding the way of tajweed, the way how to recite the surah properly, following the rules of recitation. We watched the video about the rule of the letter Lam, mainly in the name of Allah. Let's try to apply it now on the surah, Surah al-Nasr. As you see here in Surah al-Nasr, I have two words of Allah. The first one in verse number 1, I already underlined it with red. Okay, here, if you look just before this noun, you will find the word Nasr. Nasru. So we will find Dhamma. Look at Dhamma. Okay, so whenever I have Fatha or Dhamma before the noun of Allah, I have to pronounce the name of Allah thick and heavy. إذا جاء نصر الله. So here I said Allahi, which is thick and heavy. But in the case, if you have the name of Allah preceded by kasra, not dhamma and not fatha, the case here in ayah number 2, the word Allah is followed by kasra, as you can see. So in this case, I don't have to pronounce the name of Allah thickly and heavily. No, I have to pronounce it thin and light. Dinillah. I repeat. يدخلون في دين الله. So at the beginning I say Nasrullahi. See, I pronounce the word Allahi thickly and heavily. The second time I pronounce it in a thin and light way. Dinillahi. So there is a difference between Allahi and Allahi. Why? Because the first one was preceded by Dhamma, or when it is preceded by Fatha as well. The second one, the thin one, is when preceded by Kasra. Get it?